Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is Zach here again. Hope you guys been doing great. Okay, so this video is an update on my previous YouTube shorts, right? That updated that my unfortunately my Philips 3000i air purifier broken down. So I have to source for another air purifier, and unfortunately they need so long to replace it. So I don't want to wait anymore. So I actually ordered, back to Xiaomi, which I told you guys that I'm not going to buy because there's too many replacement, too many types of filter. But ultimately, this is my second best options after I evaluated. So here is the Xiaomi 3H. I actually ordered the Xiaomi Pro, but unfortunately the seller was a bit, not very honest with me on the availability of the Pro. So I decided to cancel that and just stick with the Xiaomi 3H. Okay, so here it is, guys. Okay, so this is the Xiaomi 3H air purifier. So today's video is all about unboxing this air purifier and let you guys have a look what's inside the content and of course my initial impression after I open up the box. Okay, right. So without further ado, guys, as usual, let's get started on the unboxing. Okay, guys. So here is the box itself. Okay, so let me just put on my using my famous unboxing knife. Okay, so I think this is the UK plug. Okay, so this is the UK plug, I believe. Alright, so this I think is the UK plug. Okay, let me just get out of the way. Okay, so let me just open it up quickly. Wow, there's a very strong electronic smell on this. Okay, so yeah, this is the UK plug, guys. Okay, so anyway, I'm located in Singapore for those of you who's watching this outside of Singapore. So I'm getting the UK plug, guys. Okay. Alright, so let me just get that thing out of the way. So okay, so here's the seal itself. So let me just open it up. Okay. So let me just try and peel this off. Okay. So here it is. Oh, there's another side here with the tape. Okay, so here is the box itself. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, okay, first of all, once you open the box, instruction manual, guys. Alright, always with your instruction manual. Okay, after that, okay, so here's the air purifier itself. Okay, so let me just take this out. Not very heavy. Okay, so let me just put it inside first. Okay. So anyway, guys, you can pause the video and see what's the features. You can actually control it via app, right? Alright, so here is the front. Okay, you can pause the video and see if you like. Now some of the feature. Okay, so I hope this will help me to remove any smoke smell. Okay, so plastic all around. Okay, let me try. Okay, so here is the air purifier itself, guys. So far quite okay in terms of the build. Okay, I heard that from what I've been seeing online is that this air purifier is mostly sufficient for room usage. Okay, I think if your living room is not very big, okay, then I think you can use that as well. Comparing, let me see me. Okay, so comparing this with my what's that called, the Philips 3000i. This one looks a bit smaller, of course, definitely. In terms of build quality, not much difference. I feel right. In terms, of course, that design has the cloth. The Philips 3000 have the cloth material, at the at the top, but this doesn't have. So I haven't really tried it out yet, so let me just try to pick up that filter for you guys to take a look. Okay, so I think they had the filter in stock. Okay, so here's the instruction manual. Okay, we have a look. Okay, let me have a look as well. So it's telling me to pull the strap and remove the filter. I don't want to. Okay, so I think this one is already, this is the original plug. Okay, so I think you, if you are in your country you have the 2-pin plug, then yeah, you can use it. But I think for us in Singapore, we don't really need it. Okay, so I think the filter is already set in, so I don't think there's any issues. So let me just put this in back. Okay, and see, it's very easy. It's very easy to so-called take out this cover. Okay, maybe I'll just try to take out the filter itself. Okay, so here is the filter itself, guys. Okay. This is the gray filter, gray HEPA filter. Alright, so this is supposed to clean the air more better, the true HEPA filter. I'm not sure is it true, but I think they mentioned HEPA, but I don't know is there a difference between true and HEPA. So this probably help to remove some dust particles, you know, and of course, most importantly, as I always explained in my previous video, cigarette smell. Okay, so let me just try for a week, then I'll update you guys. Okay, so let me just try to put it in. Okay, I just put it in. I think just to take note, if you are buying this, right? Okay, so you just need a bit of force. Okay, and then you can just just push it in. Okay, so let me just put it. So just as simple as just clipping it. Okay, so I think the power should be here. Okay, which I'm going to plug in. You know, the this power plug that they gave me. Okay, so let me just plug it in. Anyway, if you want to buy from them in Singapore, right? Okay, if you buy online like Lazada, like Shopee or Qoo10, this seller called Mini Helper. Okay, I think a lot of people buy from them. So far, no issue. But I just realized that they have a bit of stock availability issue. Even though they don't have stock, they keep telling you that oh, please receive by this week. But it's been like a couple of weeks. So just take note, guys. Okay, if you are willing to wait, I've seen people who wait for like a month or so, just to get their item. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, just to let you guys know lah. Alright, so anyway, I plug in the plug. I will going to resume the video after I plug in and power this thing on. Okay. Okay, guys. So I've plugged in the air purifier. Hope you guys can. I'll show you guys. So far, it's still working well. I haven't really tested the all the features. I know that there's an app that can control this, right? But I haven't really tested it. Okay, so I think now it's on auto mode, and I don't know how to change it. Oh, so that's the night mode. So I think this is level 2. This is level 3. Can you guys hear? Okay. So I'm not sure, what is this for. I think this is the filter. It should be 100%, but I don't know why it's at 72%. I could be wrong. Okay, it could be some battery or something, but I haven't really had a look. But so far, electronic smell, guys. But let me do a test for a couple of days or probably a week or 2. Okay, then I'll give you guys an update, alright, on my new Xiaomi Air Purifier, guys. Right. Anyway, goodbye to Phillips 3000i. Not gonna see you again. Alright, it was a very short relationship with Phillips, but I hope this Xiaomi will come in and replace my air purifier, and hope to improve the air quality. Okay, alright, that's all for my video today, guys. Thank you so much and have a nice day, guys. Stay safe. Okay, bye.